Hey, you guys, welcome back to Lady T Got the Tea. We got the cake, we got the crafts, and you know we got the reviews. And baby, the tea is always hot over here. So come sip and snack and spill some tea with me, your girl, Lady T Got the Tea. Hey, you guys, your girl, Lady T. Come with me and make this delicious fall pecan dump cake or cobbler, whichever you prefer, but it's delicious. Okay, guys, I got some pecan halves, some butter pecan cake, condensed milk, corn syrup, vanilla. There is powdered sugar added in this, not powdered sugar, brown sugar, y'all. I just didn't bring it out. Milk and there. I have the salted butter, so you don't need salt, but these are the ingredients. Let's go. So, you guys, I'm toasting my pecans. You should do that too. 5 minutes in an already heated oven. This is the butter for the caramel mixture. Try to use a spatula if you can because it's very sticky. And a non-stick pan would help you out too. So let's start melting this. Breaking up these pecans because I want mine smaller. You can leave them large if you like. Okay, I'm pouring a splash of vanilla in. We got 2 cups of milk. And I'm going to add the corn syrup, about a third of a cup. I measure by eye, y'all. And we have a whole can of condensed milk I'm going to pour in there. Now, if you want this caramel darker, when you're doing your butter, brown your butter more. I didn't want mine that dark and that thick. I like a lot of gooey juice at the end of this when it gets done. So I like mine a little bit looser than regular caramel, if that makes sense. You'll see at the end what I'm talking about. But keep on stirring. Stir all that brown sugar in. It's going to get thicker. We're going to put a half a teaspoon of cornstarch, the powdered cornstarch, and you got corn syrup and a half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Is going to start thickening it up. It also will get thicker in the oven when it's cooking. That's why I like to do mine like this, because if you fully cook it till it gets to its full thickness, then it's gonna be kind of dry, your cobbler or dump cake, whichever one you want to call it. I'm on a low flame. I'm showing you. Keep on stirring. It'll get there. Yeah, my allergies are kicking my butt, y'all. I hope everyone is having a good day. So this is my caramel solution, if you will, and I'm pouring it over the I crushed my pecans up. So now we're gonna go ahead and add this butter pecan cake on top and spread it kind of evenly, or as thick you want to go with it. I gave a nice amount. I put a nice coating on there.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, all toes in his hand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. You amaze me.
I'm gonna add some pads of butter on top, kind of evenly, but across the whole thing, a couple of pads of butter. Now, if you want, you can melt the butter, but I seem to use more butter doing it that way, trying to soak it into the cake on top, making the dunk cake. So I'd rather just cut some little pieces and let it melt on top like this, y'all. But do what you want with it. So go ahead and pop this in the oven on 350. I cooked mine for 40 minutes. Yours may go longer depending on how dark you want it or how light you want a little more crispy on top. But this was absolutely fine for me. And it's gonna let it settle, y'all. I know it smells so good, but be patient and let it at least sit an hour, and it'll still be warm. It's bubbling on top. You can put some ice cream on top of this. Here's another thing, y'all. A little tip from me. You can get you some apples or the apple pie filling and add it in here too. You see where I'm going with it. Y'all have a great day. Bye. I won't waste your time, I turn it up just so I can tell you, I'ma make you stay loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out.